Enjoy the view of this 2023 Nissan Titan. The bold styling of this powerful Titan is just the start. This full-size pickup delivers the strength and capability you need to meet the challenge. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: lane departure warning, navigation system, keyless entry, backup camera, heated mirrors, four-wheel drive, satellite radio, premium sound system, fog lamps, keyless start. Feel the exhilaration of full-size power in this Titan. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.